Good day, everyone. Welcome to Emotions and Stories. Our story for today is called The Final Over. The bustling city of Delhi during the IPL season. The city is alive with excitement, and the cricket fever grips the nation. The final match of the season is set between two top teams, the Delhi Tigers and the Mumbai Royals. The prelude. The Delhi Tigers, led by star batsman Arav Singh, have had an incredible season. Arav is not just the face of the team, he is also the heart and the soul of their success. Off the field, he is known for his charm, popularity, and perfect public image. But there are rumors, whispers about match fixing, personal rivalry, and debts that he's been struggling to cover up. The IPL finale is expected to be a historic one, but it is also the stage for something far darker. As the match reaches its climax, the atmosphere in the stadium is electrifying. The Delhi Tigers are chasing a daunting target set by the Mumbai Royals, and Arav is at the crease. With every ball, the tension rises. But just then, when Arav is about to hit the winning shot, the unthinkable happens. He collapses on the field. The crowd goes silent as medics rush to the pitch. Arav is declared dead shortly after. The cause of death is sudden cardiac arrest, or so it seems. The players are in shock, the management is frantic, and the fans are left in disbelief. But there is something off. Something doesn't add up. The police begin their investigation. The case is handed to Inspector Rohit Malhotra, a seasoned investigator who has dealt with high profile cases in the past. Rohit arrives at the stadium. The more he delves into Arav's life, the more complicated the situation becomes. He begins with the basics, speaking to the team members and the management. Rajesh, the captain of the Delhi Tigers, is visibly shaken but insists that Arav's health has been fine. They were expecting him to lead the team to victory. Raghav, Arav's manager, appears evasive. He mentions that Arav has been stressed lately, especially because of a large sum of money he owed to some shady figure in the underworld. However, Raghav denies any connection to Arav's death. Aisha, Arav's ex-girlfriend and a former cricketer herself, had an emotional outburst when questioned. She confesses that they have been talking about getting back together, but Arav has been distant recently. She is convinced that someone has been blackmailing him. Rohit's instincts tell him that Arav's sudden collapse was not due to natural cause. His heart wasn't the problem, it was something else. As Rohit digs deeper, he uncovers several hidden truths about Arav's life. The betting scandal. Arav had been approached by bookies to fix matches in exchange for money. He had initially agreed but later backed out fearing the consequences. However, the bookies didn't take this kindly, so his refusal began to harass him. He had secretly paid them off, but the debts were mounting. The rivalry. Arav had a fierce rivalry with Siddharth, a key player on the Mumbai Royals, who had a history of personal grudges with Arav. During a recent match, Siddharth was suspiciously seen arguing with Arav in the locker room. Was it just professional rivalry, or did something more sinister lie beneath? The mysterious phone calls. Arav had been receiving strange phone calls in the days leading up to the final. His personal assistant Nisha reveals that Arav was scared, but she never found out who was calling him. The call stopped abruptly the night before the final. The coach's secret. Coach Vikram Sharma seemed to know more than he was letting on. During questioning, he admitted that he had been aware of Arav's troubles, but had promised him that nothing would affect his performance. Vikram's evasiveness raised a lot of suspicions. As the investigation progressed, a shocking revelation came to light. Arav had been poisoned. The substance used to poison him was found in his water bottle, which was placed in the dressing room just before the match. The toxicology report confirmed that it was a rare substance, typically used in slow acting poisons. Arav had been slowly deteriorating throughout the match, which explained his erratic behavior before collapsing. The investigation uncovers the culprits in a dramatic confrontation. Raghav, Arav's manager, had been heavily involved in match fixing. In a desperate bid to pay off his debts, he had partnered with a gang of bookies who had forced Arav into fixing the final. When Arav decided to back out, they threatened him. Fearing for his life, Arav tried to go public, but Raghav silenced him by poisoning him before the match. Siddharth, the rival from Mumbai Royals, was involved in the conspiracy, but not as the mastermind. He had unknowingly played a part where he got into a heated argument with Arav, after which he was seen Arav's manager in the locker room. Siddharth was later blackmailed into keeping quiet about it. The final twist comes when Nisha, Arav's assistant, confesses that she had known about the plot all along. She had been Arav's secret lover and tried to protect him. But when Raghav's threat escalated, she had no choice but to stay silent, hoping that the truth would come out. In the end, Raghav is arrested and the rest of the conspirators are exposed. The case shocks the nation and shakes the cricket world. But the fan of Delhi Tigers, the victory they sought is now tainted by betrayal, greed and murder. The IPL final proceeds, but it is no longer a celebration of sportsmanship. The tournament ends with a somber victory for the Mumbai Royals. But for the Delhi Tigers, the shadow of Arav's tragic death hangs over them. The team plays on, but their hearts are heavy, haunted by the final over of the star player's life, which was tragically cut short. In the city of Delhi, where the game of cricket is revered as a religion, this murder mystery becomes a dark chapter that no one will ever forget. We hope you like the story. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.